This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a working copy and scanning the sheet systematically. First, save file name backup. XLSX so you can revert. This preserves your original. Next, rapidly identify obvious errors like #ref or hash value and note blank cells in key columns. Then validate data types because numbers as text and misformatted dates will break formulas later. Once done, mark problem rows and columns with color so you can focus. This prevents accidental overwrites and speeds the next correction step. You now correct the core mechanics, formulas, and data types. Start by converting text numbers with text to columns or value, and standardize delimiters. This fixes sorting and sums. Next, use find and replace to remove stray characters like non-breaking spaces, then run evaluate formula to see each step and isolate logic errors. Once formulas are correct, apply consistent number and date formats and lock ranges with cell protection so accidental edits won't reintroduce problems. You finish by validating and documenting your work so the fix sticks. Run totals and reconcile random samples with the original source to confirm accuracy. This proves the sheet is fixed. Then create a change log sheet listing who changed what and when, which explains why formulas were altered. If a stubborn error remains, use trace precedents and trace dependents to follow the calculation chain and find the root cause. Finally, save and communicate the backup location so everyone uses the corrected file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.